Hello. Yeah. Is it okay now? Is it okay now? Can I start? Can I start? चलो का. Hello. Yeah. Is it okay? Hello. Yeah. Can I start now again? Okay. So this is one of the this is a one-stroke painting. Myself, Namrata Goradia. I was actually I have this is for the first time I am doing an video demo, and this type of a painting has been invented by Donna Dewberry, which is she's an American artist, and basically she's developed this technique so that it enables anyone to reproduce any effect of any effect of nature with a very fast and a very smooth, and with 2-3 shades of multicolors loaded on the brush. The natural look of the flowers automatically comes in one single stroke. So the main concept behind this is basically you can just load this colors on brush 2 to 3 separately, and then you find a proper shade, as which I have already little bit done and shown you the basic strokes of the one stroke painting. It's a very interesting decorative painting technique where double and multicolor loading is used to highlight shadows, colorful color changes in one stroke single, and it also gives a very nice and a beautiful look to the flowers. And basically it is used for flowers, butterflies, wherever the shading part is more on, that is basically ये one stroke painting ही वहाँ पे use किया जाता है, so it becomes faster also, and you get lots of shades to see together in one part. So now I'll be just again showing you the basics, the way how you load the colors. This is one side of the yellow color, other side is on the orange color. The colors are used are acrylic, are common colors which we use for the paintings. And now this two sides of the colors will give you one stroke painting at a stretch, at one single stretch. So this I'm doing, and I'm showing you how to start with it. You just put the brush on the paper very gently and press down, and then move the brush to one side, to the one side of the thing, and just pick up the brush. This is a very basic kind of thing. In this you will come to know there are two different shades coming together with one stroke. So now I will show you. You have to load the brush with two colors, and now this is the wiggle shape. This means put the brush on the paper, the tip of the brush on the paper, and start wiggling. So you will see the lines of strokes. It is a very slow thing. You have to do it very slowly and very gently, so that you get the proper shades of the lines of two colors. And this is used basically in petals, in flowers, and flower petals, and leaves also, which I'll be showing you in the next class. But this is very important. This is the basic thing which I have to already practice first. This is also one of the type of a stroke. It is called as a comma stroke, which you can. And as you see, if your brushes get dry, then you have to load the color and again spread on the palette, and then again you can start with that. It's a very beautiful, it comes out in a very beautiful way. The flowers which you can see in different shades, you can take any 2 shades of colors, जैसे कि आप येलो ब्लू ले सकते हैं, जैसे आप येलो के साथ ग्रीन ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, make leaves also. So now I'll be starting with one of the petal. Just look at this. I've given an angle so that I just have to move the brush from one side, turn round and lift the brush slowly and come to an end to one other side. This is the way you can do one petal of the flower, and this will give a very good effect when you finish up with the whole flower on all the sides. Thank you. I hope this is okay now. I've started a little late because I was not getting connected. I hope, I'm sorry for that. So now this is a very interestingly, you can make things very beautiful. And see, one of the leaf which I can just teach you now at present is this. This is a type of a leaf which is normally used in one stroke, and basically it's a very fast thing which having 2 shades. Always in this one thing, एक चीज याद रखना कि यहाँ पे एक लाइट कलर लेना है और एक डार्क कलर लेना है, so that it gives a proper shade and highlights the object and the leaf or any of the petal or anything. This is a very basic type, all strokes. One more I will teach, I'll just show you. This can be done like this also. You just wiggle the brush, come to an end, go to a tip. You can move the paper round, and on the other side you start with it. But the thing, you just have to see to it that the light color comes inside and the dark shade is outside. Just wiggle out again, and then slowly, just when on the edge of the end of the thing, just turn the brush and join with that tip. I am new to this group. Actually, I am not knowing anyone, so for that I'm really sorry. But the thing is, like, I'll just teach this. If I are very much interested, I'll teach you more on this. I have different strokes which you can learn and create something very beautiful and in a very fast manner. This is a shell type petal. This is our stroke which is used in petals, and you just create a whole flower out of this, and it comes out to be very beautiful. This can be done this way also, in all directions, in all different directions. Start with this, wiggling the whole petal and give an end to it. This is all done this way. chat. I'll start with something other, a different color. I'll give you a shape. I'll show you the shape of leaves, which you can always do with this one stroke. Thank you, Vinita ji, giving me a good opportunity to start with this group. And even my friend Shruti also told me to join this group and give, we can show our own creativity. And this helps us to know and learn many new things. So now again I'll load with the brush the two colors, that is green. I'm doing petals, I'm showing you petals, green leaves. So I'm taking two colors. See, one is yellow and other is green. I've taken on either side of the brush. So now I'll spread out on the palette so that it evenly spreads out and gets loaded in the whole brush. ये करने से पूरा equal spread हो जाता है. फिर then I can put it on the paper and give a stroke. The basic stroke again I'll show you once, which is this. Gently spread the brush, pick up the brush. This is the basic stroke. Hello Madhavi ji, Roy ji. Yeah, this is also one of the type. Again I'll show you the same petal with a different color shade. Rotate, take the brush. Yeah, this is the way. AC curve. AC curve. Again I'll show you how to wiggle. Start with this very gently. I'm wiggling. This is also used for leaves in different forms. This is a type of wiggling. You have to load the brush again and again as if when it gets dried. Now I'll show you a petal. Turn the paper and then again you start from the bottom side. This will come out as a very beautiful leaf. See, I hope everybody can see properly. This needs a proper practice, and the practice makes you perfect actually. And the regular doing this thing will smoothen your strokes later on. See, this is also one of the leaf. Then you can do that shell thing, which I've already shown you before. Just move the brush very gently. I hope everybody can see properly. This is also a type of a leaf. You can come down. Then you can stretch this as a center branch. Which one? I hope you have enjoyed with me, as I'm for the first time in this group showing you this one stroke painting, and I would like to show you different strokes and then create a flower with leaves and branches together and create one whole picture. So this can be done on any surface like wood, plastic, glass, everywhere, and this will help to give a very beautiful look and in a very faster manner. Yeah, I would like to yeah, yeah, thank you for this, and definitely I'll come with you for the next session and continue with this more strokes and a flower together. Yeah, thanks a lot. Thank